In this video, we will learn how to insert various types of objects in PowerPoint presentations and how to modify their formatting. When we want to add an object, we have to click on the Insert tab, where we'll find a number of options. We can choose whether to add a table, a picture, shapes, etc. Let's say that we would like to add a rectangular box. We will simply click on Shapes, go to Rectangles, and select the type of box that we would like to add. Afterwards, we will adjust the size of the box by positioning the mouse in the corner of the box and resizing it as much as needed. Let's insert the same type of shape again. What I'd like to show you here is that PowerPoint recognizes that we already have a shape on this slide and allows us to create a new shape with the same width as the shape above. This functionality is very useful. It was introduced in the later versions of PowerPoint and is a great way of aligning the size of objects. We can easily insert pictures into our presentations too. We have to go to Insert, select Picture, and find where the picture that we need is located. Once it is in our presentation, it often occurs that we need to resize the given picture. As with any other object in PowerPoint, we can grab the angle of the picture in the following way and resize it according to our preferences. Again, notice how the program recognizes that there is another shape on the sheet and gives us the option to align the size of the picture with the other object. When you crop an image, a part of the picture is removed. Cropping may be helpful when a picture has a lot of content and you want to focus on only a part of it. You can find the functionality in the following way. Click on the picture and the Format tab appears. In the Format tab, you will easily find the Crop button. Click on it and crop the parts of the picture that you don't need. For example, I will crop some parts of the logo, as I'd like to obtain a smaller version. This is how we crop pictures. Charts are an essential part of business presentations. They allow your audience to visualize the data that you are referring to and are, in general, a widely used tool in the corporate world. Given that they are created in Microsoft Excel, we need to know how to import them in PowerPoint. In order to do that, we have to open Excel, copy the chart that we would like to insert in PowerPoint, and then paste it. You can paste it with the so-called regular pasting, but it is much better to use Paste Special. I'll use the Alt+E+S combination, which is the shortcut for Paste Special. In the dialog box that opens, we can see the various Paste Special options. In order to paste charts, practitioners often use Microsoft Office Graphic Object and Picture Enhanced Metafile. The difference between the two is that the first one keeps the connection with the Excel file and would update when the file is updated, while the Enhanced Metafile object is a good-looking picture. Let's use Enhanced Metafile. Here is our chart. We managed to copy it successfully from Excel. This is how we insert various kinds of objects in a PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching.